whatever. So I haven't opened up the vlog at all yet. And I'm gonna just put this at the beginning of the video. But what y'all are ready to see is me riding an elephant. Crazy, crazy. Bowling, go-karting. That's where I am right now. I don't know what we're doing after this big water park, but I don't think I'm gonna film that. But I might, so yeah.
I know we're gonna ride together.
Yeah, I'm getting in. You gotta hit him too. Hit one.
Somebody else.
Yeah, you.
Uncle Tony.
Good. Come in.
She got more than
You
you.
guys got a strike.
She got more than you, Jerry.
No, she don't. I got 160. Come here, Percy. Come here, Percy. Bowl again, Percy. Get another ball. You're good, Mike. Oh, good job, man. Good job, Mike. Huh? Yeah, you gonna do Michael. Yeah, you can do Percy too. You can do Percy if you want to. Michael. You gonna get dizzy? No. You gonna get dizzy? Keep up. All right, you gonna keep on swinging. You get dizzy.
I'm going again. No. No, I'm going again. No, sit down. Just always have a seat.
What's up, man? Yeah, you next, Mom.
Stop, Shay. My phone was.
Girl, stop playing. Can we hurry up and go fast? Like, what is this? I'm not playing with you. Like, I'm ready to block you off. Oh, can they hurry this up? Hold up, like. Oh shoot! Oh, okay. Move! Ah! I'm not playing with you. Oh shoot, brakes! I hate her! Stop cheating! That's why he bumped you! Haha! Boost! Okay. Because this little boy cannot drive. And this little nigga. I'm not playing with these kids. Ah! I'm teed. These niggas is cheating, and I'm not here for it. The little boy was literally driving sideways. Like, what kind of... Who does that? Like, if you can't drive, don't get on the go-kart track. Because, like, you will get bumped. All these little kids cannot drive. Literally, they were driving sideways. He would hit the brakes and swerve. I'm like, nigga, don't... Yo, like... Okay, they done slowed down the cars. The last one in here. Okay. Okay, after this point, what's the point? Oh, wait, hold up. Oh, brakes. Oh, wait. We're at the water park. I don't think I can film in the water park because my phone will get wet, and I like my phone and don't want water damages.
What?
Mind your business. Okay, but let me y'all see this. This is embarrassing.
Did I pack one in my backpack?
You can buy one here at the Magic Gift Shop.
That's a finesse. Nah, they ain't, I ain't that finesse. This is bad. I'm gonna check if I got a plastic bag in my backpack.
Put this stuff in first. Come on.
Oh! I don't know what that is.
Oh, she cute. Oh, no, she not. I'm just playing. What an inside part. They don't know the outside part over though. It's fun to go outside and stuff, but yeah. Y'all like this? It's cute. Oh. I can't. Wait, don't close my phone.